To configure a Wi-Fi data logger Testo160 with the Setup Assistant, first click on this symbol above the menu bar. The Setup Assistant opens. Click here on Connect the Wi-Fi data logger via the browser. Then proceed as follows. First of all, connect the Wi-Fi data logger to the computer via the USB cable provided. The on-off switch on the left-hand side must not be pressed during this operation. Secondly, enter the network name and the password of your wireless LAN. Thirdly, save this information on the logger with a right click. The logger can now be removed again. If the configuration of the logger was successful, the LED lights up in green. Finally, confirm the successful setup and close the Setup Assistant